Okay, so in this question, you want to find the value of A given the volume of the solid form. So what's the solid? It's the graph of y, square root of x between x equals 0 and x equals 8, rotated 360 degrees about the x-axis. So for this problem, you use a formula. It's basically the integral of pi y squared dx, and you integrate from values x1 and x2 that in this case are going to be 0 and a, right? So we're going to integrate pi y squared. What's y? Y is the graph of that. So y is the square root of x. You plug that in, you square it, and you integrate with respect to x. Okay? So let's simplify this. You have essentially integral from 0 to a of pi. You cancel out square root and square, so you just get x. You're going to integrate x dx. You know, integral x dx is x squared over 2. So you're going to have pi times, you get x squared over 2 is your integrated function. You're gonna evaluate this from 0 to a. So basically that's how you do it. You can check x squared divided by 2, and when you derive you get x, and then you evaluate this function from 0 to a, so you get pi times then final minus initial, so a squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2, right? So this is basically pi a squared divided by 2. In this problem, you have to set this equal to 32 pi, right? Because this is the volume of the solid. And then you solve it. You find pi a squared is equal to 64 pi. You cancel the pi, you get a is equal to 8, right? That's it. So a is equal to 8.